Hi everyone, we're here with Frank Da Silva from Resin Tech, and he's going to tell us about a few products that they're featuring here at their booth.
A lot of questions that we're getting today are about emerging contaminants in groundwater supplies, and this includes fluoride, arsenic, nitrate, and chromate. We have selective resins for each one of those ions, and I'd like to point out the chromate resin, which has the highest capacity of any media in the market for the removal of hexavalent chromate from water. You may be familiar with Hexachrome from the Erin Brockovich movie, and this resin can hold up to 6 pounds per cubic foot of chrome. It's once through, disposable. The chrome is strongly held and won't release from the resin. It's suitable for disposal. We have nitrate selective, arsenic selective. This is a special hybrid resin that will selectively remove arsenic from water supplies. And again, the spent resins passes the T-clip test, the California wet test, and is suitable for disposal after use. Our perchlorate selective resin is used at many DOE and Department of Defense sites. Perchlorate is an ingredient from rocket fuel and fireworks. It's very pernicious, it stays in water supplies. This resin has a very high capacity and strong attraction for perchlorate. We have an activated alumina product for fluoride, and this will selectively remove fluoride from water supplies. Fluoride is present as an anion, and this will selectively remove it. Again, bind it onto the resin. The resin is often used as a one-time disposable type media, but it is also suitable for regeneration.